you want us to be scared of you?
Yep.
Okay, you're gonna hurry and run.
Oh boy, I'm scared. Aha!
I can't.
That wasn't scary at all. Hold on.
Yeah. Scared? Let's move. Ah, let's move.
Don't lay in it. Run. Go show Adam how to run through it.
I wanna do it.
Okay.
Looks like cotton candy.
Oh boy. Let Adam run now. Let him run, see if he runs.
My eyes hurt.
Let him run, or I'll pick him up and carry him through it.
Oh, that's big.
Let him down. Let him down, honey.
It's over.
Let him down.
I want to do it again.
Not on the punk.
I'm not doing it again.
God.